Welcome back to Daniel's DIY channel. Today we're doing an unboxing and a review of this Amazon coffee maker we just got. Let's dig in. So in the box, we've got the warranty info and some instructions there. Coffee pot. Glass pot with some metal and then plastic top. Looks like a 12 cup coffee pot. It's a GE coffee pot here. And I'll put the link in the description of the Amazon link to buy it if you want to. Oh yeah, this video is not sponsored. I don't get paid. This is my honest review of the project now. Seems to be very high quality, all stainless steel. The lid pops up here. You have the filter. Looks like it takes a cone filter. That's cool. Have reusable ones. Cheaper, and you save the environment that way. And then if you want to use the regular filters, you can just put them right into that. It's pretty nice. This is cool. The water comes out of multiple different spigots, so it gets nice and saturated in the coffee there.
Now, where do you fill this lovely coffee maker, Daniel?
Let's find out. So to fill it, you're just gonna lift the lid up and you pour it right into the back of it there. Let's get started. We'll brew a pot and we'll see how it is. My sister-in-law didn't like my old coffee pot, which is this one here. She always said the coffee was gross whenever she came over.
It's too
so
weak.
They actually ordered this for us off Amazon. That way when they come over, they can have better coffee. This one has multiple brew settings. This one was just a generic Mr. Coffee, just an on and off switch. It didn't brew that well. So yeah, they're coming over today and we'll give them a test of it and see if they like it better or not. Alright, so the first pot here, we got our coffee grounds in there. Start brewing. I'll do a time lapse and have you watch it brew. As you can see, it's nice and dark. Looks good. Let's give the coffee a taste test here. Very good. Overall, I'd probably give it a 4 stars out of 5. So pretty good. I would recommend it. Definitely if you're looking for an inexpensive coffee maker. So you can see it gets the grounds nice and wet there. What I liked about the pot is this lid here. It locks in place. You can take it all the way off. Easy removal, easy to clean it. My complaint is the little pour spout here. It does pour really nice. It doesn't drip or leak at all when you're pouring. But it doesn't get all the coffee. There's kind of a little lip there. And it leaves about a tablespoon of coffee in the pot. Even if you pour it all the way upside down, it won't all come out. And the second concern is going to be just kind of difficult to get water into the maker itself here. The gap is not very big. Yeah, not too big a deals there. I think most coffee makers are kind of difficult to get or the water into the coffee maker. Yeah, I give it probably a 4 stars out of 5. If you're looking for a nice inexpensive coffee maker that looks nice and works good, then go ahead and try this one out. I do like the different brew options. You can set it to brew at a certain time. If you want to wake up to a nice fresh pot of coffee, you can do that. and it does have the 2 different brew settings. You can brew just normal, and if you do it on the bold setting, it brews a lot slower. It takes about 10 or 15 minutes to brew that full 12 cups. That's what we usually use it on. We've been noticing the coffee comes out really well if you do the bold setting. Yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more. We'll catch you next time. Keep on doing it yourself.